Now I'm going to show you how you can make a picture schedule with your BCalm Pro. To do that, I'm going to go to our device. I'm going to expand the list here and look at our photos. These are all the different categories of pictures that are loaded onto the player. I'm going to go ahead and pick school day, and I can see the list of pictures for school day. To make a picture schedule, what we're going to do is make a copy of the pictures we want to use, rename them, and then load them onto the player the way that we want to have them for use with the student. So I'm going to go on my desktop and just make a new folder and call that folder morning. I can open that up, and then I'm going to pick the pictures that I want to use for the morning picture schedule. We'll start with school bus, and then reading class, and finally recess. Now, I want to put these in order, so I'm going to rename the files using a number to show where I want it in the order. So I can rename, and for school bus, I'm going to make that number 1. Number 2 will be reading class. And number 3 will be recess. Next, I need to copy the files back onto the player. I can select them all, drag and drop, and it's going to ask me again if I want to add the supported files and synchronize or copy the files. As always, I want to add supported files to media library and synchronize them. I can close this folder now, and you see that my 3 files for the morning picture schedule are under the photo folder. Now, to make it easier to find, I'm going to give them a category. To do that, I'll just make a new folder. I can right click on photo and do new folder. Call that new folder morning. Now you see we have a morning folder right here. So I'll put in school bus, reading class, and recess. Just dragging and dropping. And now, underneath morning, school bus, reading class, and recess to use in order as a picture schedule.